Hello everyone, today in this video I will discuss how to find out the inverse of a matrix of order 3 by 3 using elementary row transformation or operation. These are the points which I will discuss in this video. Definition of invertible matrix, pattern and elementary transformations or operations to be used to find out the inverse of the given matrix, solved examples based on it, and exercise with answers. After watching this video, you can take the screenshot of this slide and you can test your knowledge. Invertible matrix. Here in this video, I will explain it in brief. To know in detail about invertible matrix, operation and pattern, watch the video whose link is given in the description box of this video. So as we know that if we have AB equals to I equals to BA, if this condition is there, then we say that A and B are inverse of each other. A inverse will be B and B inverse will be A. What are A, B and I? A, B and I are square matrices of same order. Square matrices of same order. What do we do whenever we use row transformation? What is the pattern and what are the operations we can apply? As I have discussed in the video, uh, how to find out the inverse of the matrix in 2 by 2 order. Same transformations will be, elementary operations will be used, and same pattern would be different, but how to start it. For example, we have to start like this: A equals IA. A would be any square matrix would be given to us. We will write like this. For example, I have A as 0, 1, 2. Let's take the matrix A as 0, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 1, and I will be identity matrix of order 3 by 3 because the given matrix is of order 3 by 3 and A will remain negative. What we will do? We will make it as I, this matrix using elementary operation in row only. Same operation would be done in RHS. This A will remain negative. And whenever it will become I, obviously this will be the inverse of this matrix. For that, these are the operations. These are the operations. We can interchange any two rows. We can multiply or divide any row by a non-zero constant, and we can add or subtract the multiple of any other row to a particular row. And this is the pattern. This is the pattern we will follow. We will follow this pattern. Means first of all, we will make it 1. We will make it 1. Then we will make it 0. Then we will make it 0. Then 1. We will make it 1. Then we will make it 0. Then 0. Then 1. Then 0. Then 0. Then 0. Means this pattern. We will go like this. Yes. This pattern will be followed. And we will use these operations. Let's see. Find the inverse of the matrix using row transformation. This is the matrix. First of all, we will write down the pattern. Our pattern is, write down the pattern. What is the pattern? 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, and this is the pattern. Follow this. And transformations, we will use all these. Let's take First of all, we will write down A equals, because row transformation is there, IA. That is 0, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 1 equals identity matrix of order 3 by 3, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1 into A. First step is to make it 1. I have to make it 1 according to this 1. So what can be done? Here I can interchange row and all the operations would be done in row only. I can write R1 double arrow R2. Double arrow means we can interchange. Write down R2 in place of R1 and R1 in place of R2. 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, 1, 1. Same operations would be done in RHS. 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. A will remain on it. Our next step, I have to make it 0. It is already 0. Then I have to make it 0. So I can write C3. If we multiply, I multiply R1 by 3 and I subtract it from R3, I will get it 0. I can write R3 arrow R3 minus 3R1. How can I write? No change in R1 and R2, both the sides. 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0 will not be there. No change over here into A. So what to do? I have to make this change in R3. 3 minus 3, 0. 1 minus 6 minus 5. 1 minus 9 minus 8. 0 minus 3, 1. Now the next step. 1, 0, 0. 1 is already there. I have to make it 0. Again change in R3. I can multiply R2 by 5 and can add in R3. R3 plus 5R1. No change in R1 and R2. 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2. I have to make the change only in R3. R3 plus 5R1. Not R1, R2. R3 plus 5R1, 0. This 0. 3 plus 5, 10 minus 8 plus 10 will be 2. R3 plus 5, R1, R2. R3 plus 5, that it will become 5 minus 3 and 1. Now the next step, 1, 0, 1, 0. I have to make it 1. Now my purpose is to find out to make it 1. What can be done? I can write R3 arrow. I can divide it by 2. I can divide R3 by 2. 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 0, 0, 1. Dividing by 2. 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 5 by 2 minus 3 by 2, 1 by 2 into 8. Now the next step. 1, 1, I have to make it 0 according to this. What can be done? To make it 0, I can write R2 arrow R2 minus 2 R3. R2 arrow, no change in R1 and R3. No change in R1 and R3, only change in R2. R2 minus 2 R3, it will become 0, 1, 0, and it will become R2 minus 2 R3, yani 1 plus minus 2 into 5 by 2, that is minus 4. Similarly here it will become 3, it will become minus 1. Now the next step, what I have to do, I have to make it next step, I have to make it 0. For that, what can be done? R1 arrow, if I multiply R3 by 3 and subtract R1 arrow, R1 minus 3, R3. Change in R1. It will become 1. R1 minus 3, R3, it will be 2 as it is. It will become 0. No change in R2. 0, 1, 0. No change in R3 equals, it will become 0 minus 3 into 15 upon 5 upon 2. It will become minus 15 upon 2. Similarly, it will become 1 plus and upon 2, it will be 11 upon 2. 0 and minus 3 upon 2, that is minus 3 upon 2. This will remain as it is, minus 3, minus 4, 3 minus 1, 5 upon 2, minus 3 upon 2, and 1 upon 2, and A will remain as it is. Now the next step, what I have to do? I have to make it 0. What can be done? How can I make it 0? R1 arrow, I will multiply R2 by 2 and I will subtract from R1. R1 arrow, R1 minus 2 R2. It will be 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. R1 minus 15 upon 2 minus 2 into R2. Minus minus will become plus 8. 16 minus 15 plus 8 minus 2 R2. That is minus 15 plus 16 upon 2, that is 1 by 2. It will become 1 by 2. Similarly, 11 upon 3 plus 32, it will become minus 1 upon 2. Minus 3 by 2 minus 2 into minus 3 by 2 and plus 2, it will become half. This will be as it is, 5 by 2 minus 3 by 2, 1 by 2, and A will remain as it is. What we have observed, we can see in LHS we have got identity matrix. This is identity matrix. So it will be inverse of this. So what is the A inverse? A inverse is, this is A inverse. Implies A inverse equals this 1 upon 2 minus 4, 5 by 2 minus half 3 minus 3 by 2 half minus 1 and 1 by 2. This is the required inverse of the given matrix. So these are the steps. If we will follow this pattern one by one, we will keep on changing the element according to the pattern, we will get the inverse of the given matrix. This is the exercise based on it. You can take the screenshot and you can try, you can test your knowledge. That's all in this video. If you like the video, don't forget to share with your friends. Also, if you have not subscribed the channel yet, subscribe it right now to get more informative videos in the future. Thank you for watching.